Imagine pulling into your driveway, greeted not just by a house, but by a bold declaration of your unique style. A home that doesn't merely exist in your neighborhood, but illuminates it, setting a new standard of elegance and individuality. Hello, I'm Fabian Real, the proud owner and lead color scheme consultant at VIP Home Painting. We're passionate about helping homeowners like you transform their homes into a reflection of their unique style. Our goal? To help your home stand out in the neighborhood and truly become a place you love. We're not just about applying a fresh coat of paint to your home's exterior or interior. We're about turning your home into a statement piece that doesn't just blend in the neighborhood, but stands out, commanding admiration and turning the heads of every passerby. A home that radiates charm and sophistication, a beacon of your unique style. A masterpiece that doesn't just exist, but thrives in its surroundings. Dare to stand out? Dare to be the envy of your neighborhood? And how do we make this happen? It's a transformation that unfolds in 3 easy steps. Let's begin and let's embark on Miguel and Karla's home painting transformation journey. The first step is all about discovery. We listen, and together we create a vision. Your vision becomes our blueprint. We take the time to understand your unique style and aspirations for your home. This is where Miguel and Karla's journey began, with a dream of a modern, elegant home that truly reflected their style. As you can see in these pictures, Miguel and Karla had a clear vision. They dreamed of a modern home with a striking contrast of snowbound white and trichrome black from Sherwin-Williams. We took their vision, their style, and their chosen colors and began to craft a plan to bring their dream to life. This is the power of our process. It's personalized, it's detailed, and it's designed to ensure that the final result is a perfect reflection of you. Now, let's move on to the second step. This is where the magic happens. With our advanced AI, we present a world of color possibilities tailored to your style in just minutes. From vision to reality, we make it possible to visualize your dream home before the transformation even begins. Now let's dive into the magic of our AI-powered color scheme consultation. This tool is designed to take your vision and turn it into reality. Before we dive into this exciting demonstration, I want to share something very important with you. Our AI-powered tool is designed to provide you with various color scheme concepts in just minutes. Now, while the images you see may not exactly match your home's architecture, they are very close and serve to give you a clear visualization of the concept. We're continuously working on enhancing this feature, but even now, it's a powerful tool that can help you envision your dream home in seconds. Take a look at this. With just a few clicks, Miguel and Karla could see their dream home in a whole new light. This is the power of AI, instantly customizing color schemes at our fingertips. In the end, Miguel and Karla chose this elegant scheme. This tool helped them visualize their dream home in minutes, saving them not only hours of indecision and uncertainty. Now let's move on to step 3. Miguel and Karla's canvas to masterpiece, their home transformation in action. This is where the magic is gonna happen. Our team at VIP Home Painting meticulously prepares each home for its transformation. For Miguel and Karla, this meant a thorough cleaning and masking process, ensuring every detail was perfect before the first stroke of paint was even applied. Then the transformation began. Our skilled painters applied the chosen colors with precision and care, turning Miguel and Karla's home from a blank canvas into a work of art. And the result? A home that radiates style and sophistication, a true reflection of Miguel and Karla's personal style. Their home didn't just blend into the neighborhood, it stood out, commanding admiration and turning the heads of every passerby. At VIP Home Painting, we're not just about applying a fresh coat of paint. We're about turning your home into a statement piece, a masterpiece that reflects your unique style. Are you ready to transform your home? Contact VIP Home Painting today and start your home transformation journey. Because isn't your dream home worth it? With our AI-powered color scheme consultation, you too can explore a world of color possibilities tailored to your style in minutes. Are you ready to transform your home into a reflection of your unique style? Ready to bring your home painting project vision to life? Start your transformation journey with our free 30-minute consultation today.